Hi guys, my name is Kaya. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you aren't new, what's up? You already know what it is. I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be on how I got this really quick messy bun. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on into it, and I'm not gonna do too much talking. Before I go though, if you aren't already, subscribe to my channel please. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and then like it and comment on it at the end. Okay, so I really hope I'm in focus. I know my head is looking crazy now. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on into it. So right now, this is what my hair is looking like. It still has product on it from the previous day. So I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail, and I'm going to use this little bit of weave that I have, but I'm going to make it into like a messy bun. This is 10 inches, but it's pretty thick. So I'm really hoping that it's going to work perfectly to put into a bun. I haven't done this in a while, so hopefully I still know what I'm doing, and hopefully it comes out right. So we're just going to go ahead and see what we can do here. My hair is pretty much still good from the previous day. Hopefully spraying this water isn't going to mess up my makeup. So I'm just trying to re-damp my hair a little bit, because when my hair is damp it's easier to work with. I know it looks like it's a lot of water, but it's not. I'm going to use my Eco Style gel. I know a lot of people are saying this is canceled, but not to me. I still have it, so I'm gonna use it. I really want to make sure my hair lays down, so I am going to take some gel on my hair. As I rub it more and more, I'm bringing it higher and higher. Crap out of me. He really did. Now I'm just going to let my hair mold a little bit with this wrap. So I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to let it sit on there for about 10 minutes or so, maybe a little bit longer, till it's close to time for me to get ready to go. And then I'm going to come back and finish off the ponytail. I know that looks crazy now, but it won't look like that for long. Okay guys, so I laid down my hair. As you can see, it's been laid down for probably about 10 minutes or so. I'm going to put this back on my head because I need it to lay down just a little bit more, or a little bit longer, shall I say. And now we're going to take the weave, which it's pretty much kind of nappy, but it's okay because we're going for messy bun look anyway. So I'm going to start it off by putting it right at the front, and then I have the little piece back here, and I'm just going to wrap this around first. Okay, so we got the piece that's stopping right here at the front. I'm just going to take a bobby pin and put it in here to make sure that it stays in. And now we got us a little happy ponytail. So now what we're going to do is make this into a bun. So what I did was I pulled back this half right here. How do I look with my little bun? Well guys, I think this completes my look today. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because I was trying to lay my hair down a little bit more. But that's how you get your quick bun. Hope you guys can see my bun. But yeah, that's how you get your quick bun. I know it looks like I'm dressed up, but I promise if you see like below, I'm not that dressed up. Our jeans that I got from, where did I get these from? I think I got these from Belk. And then this came from Boohoo. It's actually a dress, but who is this going to be a dress on? I do not know. So I ordered this a long time ago too, so I've gained weight, so that's why it looks different. But that's not going to be a dress on me, so I made it into a shirt. Alright guys, so that completes this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a huge thumbs up, as well as comment on my video and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.